Welcome to another video from Sleem Solar. So here we have another system that we installed, a 3K solar array with 12 volt 600 amp hour battery capacity at a 4 kilowatt 120 AC inverter charger. So here you can see the panels. There are 12 of them. They are wired in 6 series to parallel, and they're wired into the system. So this is another install that's way out in the countryside that we did. And as you can see, I'm showing it from different angles. The panels are south facing, so they're getting maximum sun. Here's another shot of the panels from behind. As you can see, it was a kind of cloudy, partly cloudy, sunny day. And here's another picture of the back part of the panel as we wired it up to make sure that it was grounded properly. You can see the copper bars, the copper wires that are running along each panel, and it's grounded out in a ground rod bar that's actually down that middle pole there. So you can see the combiner box that we had set up, and that surge protection Midnight Classic device that we put on with the Midnight Classic combiner box that we wired up. And you'll see here in another picture the actual breakers. They were, I think, 30 or 20 amp each. So you can see the homeowner has a slot for 2 more. There's a Midnight Classic charge controller and the Ames inverter charger. I believe it was a 4K unit that we installed. And there's a shutoff and 200 amp fuse for the disconnect of the batteries. They're lead acid battery as well, and the homeowner I think had 12, so they were wired in series parallel. They're 6 volts each, and they were wired in series parallel for a big 12 volt battery at about 600 amp hours that they had. So here's another shot of the batteries, and that's it. Another successful install by Sleem Solar.